Best regard. In development of Activity 5, speaking a segment synchronous meeting of English B1 course of National University Open and to Distance UNAD. The next is an self-introduction. My name is Klismann Ospina. I am 27 years old. I was born in Bogota City the 27th of May of 1990. I live in Villavicencio, Meta. I am industrial technologist, but I am unemployed in the moment. I study industrial engineer and I belong to set of Acacias. I like play guitar, piano, listen music, play soccer, run, and go to the gym, study, go to the cine, and go to eat of our house. I live in Villavicencio, Meta. This is the plain door. Near of Villavicencio, there are amazing landscapes, beautiful rivers, and swimming places. There are a zoo of native animals named Los Ocarros. In this we can to see flora and fauna of the Orinoquia and Amazonia of Colombia and the Eastern Plains. Villavicencio has many celebrations. The Tournament International of Joropo between the 26th of June and the 2nd of July of this year. In this tournament, the people do a circuit of dance Joropo by principal street of the city. 2 has horseback riding very time, coleo, festivals, fairs, fair parties. The folklore environment is great. The typical food is the llanera meat. This is meat of heifers and the embers, and the hallacas. This is a corn dog, meat pork in chunks wrapped in the banana leaf, cooked to fire first principally. My suggestions of the amazing vacation is Bergen, Noruega. This city is considered the gateway of the Norwegian fires. This is sited in the Valley of the Seven Mountains. Between many places para visitar, we find Bergen is a historic neighborhood formed by little houses of colors. The Church of Santa Maria, the Hanseatic Museum, the Bergen Fortress, Hancock Hall, Rosencraft Tower. Go to the Floyen Mount. Go up to the Floyen Mount. It offers magnificent view of the city and the surroundings. And between other activities, the Norway in the nutshell excursion is the best way to meet the beauty of Noruega in short time. This is in train, bus, and include cruise. Inside the typical food, it's found Lute's pig. It is elaborate with cod, bacon, potatoes, and vegetables. Pine cute. It is a curry lamb rib with potatoes and vegetables. These are some examples of the food, but the Bergen gastronomy is grand. Thank you.